let's unbox the iPhone 12. What is up, everybody? My name is Anthony. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. On this channel, I do things all about technology and cinematography. So if you enjoy either of those things, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and turn on those notifications so you don't miss a single video. Today, we are actually unboxing the iPhone 12. So let's get right into the unboxing. I'm ready to just unbox this. I haven't actually unboxed an iPhone in, at this point, over a year, and like, so this is actually my dad's iPhone 12, and wow, Apple every year does such beautiful packaging. There's some weird like cardboard dust. Thanks, Verizon. Some weird cardboard dust on this, but you know what? That's okay. Look at this packaging. Look at this thing. It is beautiful. I mean, yes, the box is much smaller than previous years. So on the back, you can see it's just a regular old iPhone box. On the front, the iPhone 12. All right, so let's open this bad boy out. For those of you who love that noise, you are welcome. All right, so let's place this boy down here. Oh, man. Dude, look at that color. It is like a navy blue, man. That is so deep. Ooh, wow, it's actually got some pretty good weight to it. I'm actually surprised. This is going to be a fingerprint magnet. Look at that. It is going to be a fingerprint magnet. Easy. It's really, really pretty though. So we're going to continue on that with that in a second. But inside the box, you can see Apple has removed the entire charger, the charging brick itself. And it looks like they've only given you one Apple sticker this time, which we're going to open that in a second. But it comes with a simple USB-C to Lightning cable. This is actually my dad's phone, so I'm not going to open this up and show him that. I'm sure you have seen that before. Inside of here, we've got the SIM card tray extender thing. Yep, I was right. We've got a singular Apple sticker and a really small, quick user guide, I guess, for those who have never used an iPhone. So that is the entire box. Personally, I feel like they should include a charging brick. So let's look at this bad boy. I will actually not be turning on the phone. Wow, okay, so the camera bump is extremely similar to the Pro Max. Actually is very, very similar. I actually think this is better, like overall, like just look on the iPhones. Wow, this is really nice. Like, I thought this was going to be a much, like, lighter blue, like a more cheap style looking blue. All right, so let's open up this portion of it. Let's pop this plastic boy off. Oh, so this is just the screen protector. Actually going to leave this on just a little bit. Or not, you know what, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to turn this on because he explicitly wanted to turn it on himself, be the first one to open the phone. Now I know where I get it from. I really have to admit, I really enjoy this square design on the iPhone 12 versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I've never been a big fan of the circular design. I'm much more of a fan of the square design. I'm much more of a square phone person. It's actually really nice. It's very reminiscent of pretty much the 4 and the 4S and the 5 that I had and the 5S. Those were some of my absolute favorite devices. And I can see why Apple wanted to go back to it. This is pretty much the iPhone that everybody wanted. One thing I'm not entirely sure of is what this is right here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but this right here is actually something that's discolored. It has no button face on it, and I'm not actually sure what that is, and I kind of want to do some research on that. If you do know what this is, please let me know down in the comment section below. So yeah, my first impressions of this phone are really nice. The back is going to be a absolute fingerprint magnet compared to the Pro Max, of course. The Pro Max, I love the Pro Maxes because of their frosted glass look. Oh man, after actually feeling this, I might actually want to upgrade. Even though I really don't need to, I feel like I might want to. So yeah, those are my first impressions of the iPhone 12. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, hit like down below and hit the subscribe button down below as well and turn on those notifications. Thank you so much for watching. It's your boy Andy. I'm out. Okay, bye-bye.